When someone is dying, do they gradually stop eating or do they just stop eating altogether? Here is a situation that a family member asked me. It's actually a very common situation and it's a really common question. When someone is nearing the end of their life and when they're dying, usually you will see a gradual decline in their appetite until they really just stop eating altogether. Saying that, however, there are situations where that's not quite what I see. So, for this example, specifically, this person had an acute event. And oftentimes, what I see after an acute event, so someone fell and they ended up in the hospital, or they broke a bone, they ended up in the hospital, they picked up an infection and they ended up in the hospital, or a rehab setting, for example. There was this like acute problem and change in their normal day to day. What I usually see, or what I often see, is that before that acute event, they were eating normally. After that acute event, they stop eating. Sometimes it's just they stop eating altogether. And sometimes it's just this quick sort of change where they were eating normally and now it's really hard for them to eat. They're still maybe eating a little bit, like in this example, but they really just don't seem to have much of an appetite, and their appetite is really dwindling pretty quickly and pretty drastically. This situation is actually very similar to my granddad's dying process. He basically went from doing really well, living a normal life day to day. Appetite was great, it was normal. He ended up with an acute infection that landed him in the hospital, and his appetite just never recovered, and he never recovered. So, that decline or change in appetite at the end of life can vary depending on the person and depending on the situation. My name is Katie Duncan. I'm a nurse practitioner and an end of life coach. If you're interested in joining our certified end of life practitioner program, whether you're interested in becoming a death doula or whether you just want to learn, our next cohort is starting in a week, 1 week from actually yesterday, September 8th. And so if you are interested, definitely check out our free training. At the end of that training, I do talk more about our certified program and you'll learn how to apply as well. You can find that at deathcarecoach.com.